Hey y'all, stick around. Today I'm gonna unbox this really huge Marc Jacobs tote that I got for a super sweet deal. And I'm gonna blame this all on Jay and her bags. It's all your fault, Jay.
Sure, Jan.
Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank y'all so much for clicking on my video to watch it. Y'all, today I'm gonna unbox this large tote that I got from Zappos. And I'm gonna blame this purchase all on Jay and her bags. Now, if you haven't watched Jay and her bags YouTube channel, y'all definitely check it out. She has some really fabulous bags, especially her Rogue collection. And I've been really enjoying her content lately. So thanks, Jay, for this purchase. I blame it all on you. But this is gonna be the Marc Jacobs Dakota large tote bag. And this is the actual canvas version. It comes in a couple different versions. Suede, leather, and then this is the canvas version of it. So we're gonna unbox it today and I'm gonna go over all the details with y'all. But Jay, I do blame you for this because I was watching your channel and I saw the denim wave bag that you unboxed and shared with us, and I was in love with it because I'm in my denim phase as well. I really think me and you are sisters from another mother. But I saw that bag and I was like, I gotta get it. So I went on where you told us to go on Zappos. The bag is still there and it was still on sale, but I actually saw this bag and I love a big bag too. And I loved your leather Dakota in the large that you have too on one of your other videos. So I went ahead and I purchased the tote bag instead of the little wave bag. So maybe the wave bag will be a future purchase if they still have it later on. But this bag was on such a great deal on Zappos. I had never bought anything from Zappos, so I did sign up for an account there and they gave me 10% off on this purchase as well. So it was already on sale. Then I got another 10% off. So I'll share the pricing and everything with you in a moment. But before I do that and we unbox this beautiful large tote, I want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. Now, if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely check that out. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff there as well. For everything else, Mad Hatter, y'all definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, shopping codes, discount codes. You can also shop my personal closets on Mercari, Depop, and now Vinted as well. So y'all check that out. And y'all, lastly, if everybody could just stop, if you're enjoying my video, before you leave, give me a big thumbs up. It does help my channel to grow, and that's all I've asked of y'all. So with all that being said and out of the way, let's unbox this huge Marc Jacobs tote, y'all. Now, this came very fast. From what I understand, Zappos is like a company that's kind of like, I guess, tied in with Amazon. So the shipping was super fast on it. It came like in 2 or 3 days. I had other bags that were coming from Coach and this one came really fast. I was really shocked. And it's in a giant box, y'all. Look, huge. And it is a really big tote, so I guess that's why. But the box came super, perfect. There was no damage on this box. So this was one of the better deliveries I've had in recent times. So let's unbox it together and see what I got here, y'all. All right, and let's get into it. And like I said, I saw this tote, the Marc Jacobs tote, the Dakota tote, on Jay and her bags channel, and she has the black one that I would love to have. She said she got hers on Poshmark, and I actually probably saw the ad where it sold on there. So I saw your ad, Jay, and you were really lucky to get the bag you got. I think she said it was like maybe $230, $250. So that's a steal on these bags because they go for like $600 to $700. So for this one, let me tell you the details real quick. All right, so I got this bag. It shipped out just a few days ago. I ordered it on the, I think, 20th, and I got it on the 23rd. And it's the Marc Jacobs Canvas Dakota tote bag on here in the beige/argan oil, one size. And it was originally $319.20 on there. So it was on sale already, discounted. And then I got another 10% off, so that marked it down $31.92. And then with shipping, it was free. The tax on it was $23. And by the end of it all, I got this bag for $310.26. So I think that's a super great steal and I'm gonna love it. I just know it because I've been wanting this for so long. All right, so let's open the box here. All right, and I just love a big tote bag, y'all. So this is a top handle and I'm gonna love it. So there it is in the box. All right, let's get it out and let's see what she looks like. All right, here it is. Now, I'm not super big on canvas, but I don't mind it at all. So I probably love it a little bit better than I do suede. So I think I'm gonna like this bag a lot, y'all. Look how big it is. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get into the baggie here and see what we've got, y'all. And I'm gonna go over all the details. And I'm gonna show you, you know, what the bag looks like all around, give you some details on it. And of course, we're gonna just do some mod shots with it. Yeah, this is gonna be beautiful, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at this. All right, let's get the paper off of it here. Look how big this tote is, y'all. It's canvas, but it has this beautiful brown leather accents on it in leather. So let me get all the packaging off of here and I'm gonna show you the details of it and we'll show it off a little bit. All right, y'all, I was able to get all of the packaging off of this bag. Look how beautiful and how big it is. I love this tote, y'all. The canvas on it's really nice. I love the color of it and I love the brown accents on the leather too. Let me just do a quick little spin here for y'all so you can see the entire bag. This thing is huge, y'all. It's gonna fit a laptop or anything you wanna carry in it. Of course, I'm gonna have to get me a organizer to go in it. It has feet on the bottom here in that nice leather trimmed area with the gold hardware. I love that. It's heavy, but it is really nice. The handles on it, I love the shoulder drop on the handles here, so that's really gonna fit probably pretty good over my shoulder. The top of it is kind of has a little slouch to it, which I like. Then it has like a belted area around the front of it. Now this belted area, you can't really, like the belted part is kind of like sewn in between. You can't pull the belt through or cinch it up all the way. If you tighten it up, it just tightens up this front panel, not the entire bag. So I kind of don't like that, but the back of it is just the straps on the back there with the canvas. But I just simply love the shape of this bag. And the one Jay has is that black one in the leather. And I just know that leather's got to be scrumptious on there. So maybe one day, Jay, I'll get the leather version. But for now, this was really good for me as far as the price and the deal on it. And I do like a canvas bag too. So this will look really good with any kind of like jeans or any kind of outfit like that. But it is really pretty, I think. And I love the gold hardware on it. It has the Marc Jacobs logoing on it here. And you have it embroidered there. And then you have the little logo for Marc Jacobs here in gold too. Let me just show you a few close-ups of it and then we're gonna go on the inside of it. So there you can see the actual hardware on it a little bit better. Okay, let me go a little bit higher there where you can see it. There's the Marc Jacobs logoing and everything on it. And then you have it embroidered right there on it. So that's very nice there. All right, and I love the little gold feet on the bottom. Such a cute little tote. Well, I say little, such a large tote. It's actually trimmed around the edges here with the leather all the way around, the piping and all. I love that accent color. Really pretty. And then the zipper is really nice. It has like a leather zipper area all the way across the middle there that kind of tuck down with these little straps here on the side. So you can let those flop out or tuck them down in the belt area, which I just think is a beautiful silhouette to this bag. All right, and then let's go ahead. I'm gonna open up the inside of it here so you can see it. Now, I really thought that the flap on here was gonna have like a magnetic area that would kind of close down, but it really kind of stays shut once you close it with the straps that the way they are. So I'm happy with that. I can deal with that. I thought Jay said hers had a magnet on the inside, but I don't feel anything magnetized. Yeah, it's just a fold over flap. So let me show you the interior is huge as well. You do have a zipper pocket on the inside here. It's got some care paperwork from Marc Jacobs, of course. But the zipper pull on here has a leather zipper pull. You've got your Marc Jacobs creed patch. Then in the middle, you have that big zipper area. Let me open it up here. I'm gonna pop these leather pieces out here. They just kind of flop out like that. And then you can unzip that whole entire pouch all the way to the end of those zippers. And then you have a huge area in the middle. Yeah, it's not super huge and deep, but it's a nice pocket to store all of your stuff. You could put your phone and your other personal items in there, and then your bigger items in the other two side pockets. Let me show you that. But then you do have a Marc Jacobs tote bag here that came with it in the signature Marc Jacobs logoing on it. But y'all know how I feel about a dust bag on this channel. It's just a damn dust bag. All right, let me show you the interior on this bag. I just love this color on this bag too, y'all. The front part of the pouch here is the canvas material on the back here. And then going down on the inside of it, you can see it has sort of a darker colored canvas as well. Let me get a little bit closer where you can see it right in there. There you can see the inside of it there. And then you have your Marc Jacobs creed patch there. And then you also have that zipper pocket in the back there. Let me open it up for you. Show you the interior. So the interior is just kind of a, open area there. Same color canvas material on the inside of that. And then the rest of that pocket area is just one big area. Then you have this smaller area, like I said, in the front here. And the pocket doesn't go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. It kind of goes almost 3/4 of the way to the bottom of the bag. So it's not as deep on this middle pocket, but it's pretty big and as wide as the bag is. So that's a pretty good little storage area. No pockets or anything on the inside of that. And then the front pocket is just one big open area in that same canvas material, but you're gonna be able to fit a whole lot of stuff in this bag. So I'm super, super happy with it. Let me zip it back up here and I'm gonna do a few mod shots so you can see what it looks like as I carry it. All right, yeah, it's gonna carry a lot. I don't know if I showed you the leather zipper pulls on the top here. I'm hoping this bag kind of gets a little bit of a slouch to it too eventually. There is the leather along the top of it there and your zipper pulls, but very nice. All right, and then you just fold the flap back over to close it. And then once you put your handles back up, the flap will just kind of stay shut. So very, very nice. I love it so far. So let's do some mod shots and I'll show you what it looks like carrying it. All right, y'all, here it is. This is what it looks like carrying the bag. I think it's really nice. I love the size of it. What do y'all think about this tote? Such a cute tote, and I just love the silhouette, like I said, of it. I hope it gets a little more slouchy on it, but it's gonna be a really good work bag and just a good bag to travel with too. So I love it. The shoulder drop on it, perfect. Look at that, y'all. Perfect drop. And I love that it has the little slouch in the middle. So underneath your arm there, it doesn't really feel like you're carrying a whole lot. So I love that. The strap feels really good on my shoulder. Very, very happy with this one. All right, y'all. So I love it. And that is the large Dakota from Marc Jacobs in the canvas. Love, love, love it. Thank you, Jay. I will say thank you, even though it was a bad influence and I didn't need this bag. Honestly, I'm just kidding. I actually love it. And like I said, I hope that I can one day maybe get the leather version of it and grow up and be an adult like Jay in her bags. But so happy with this purchase and such a great deal on it too. Y'all definitely let me know what you think about this huge Marc Jacobs tote in the comments. Do you like canvas bags or would you rather have the suede or the leather version of it? I think I want a leather version of it, but I'm happy with this for now. So, all right, y'all. So that is my review for today on this really, really nice and huge tote from Marc Jacobs. Like I said, I got it from Zappos for a steal. So y'all check out Zappos if you never have. I never thought they even sold handbags, but apparently they do. They've got some other really nice stuff on there too, Coach and other brands as well. So y'all check it out. Don't forget to get that 10% discount code if you've never shopped on there as well. It really saved me a little bit of money. So thank you so much, Jay and Her Bags, for showing off your bag. I love yours, and I definitely want to get a leather version of this eventually. But so far, I'm in love with this, and I'll update y'all later on what it's like to carry it. But I love, love, love it. So thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching this review on this bag. And like I said, thanks, Jay and Her Bags. Y'all check out her channel. Some really great bags she has, and she needs to stop showing them so I can stop buying them. But I do love looking at her channel and all of her beautiful bags. So y'all check her channel out. It will be linked in the description of this video as well. And y'all, I hope y'all have a fabulous week. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Y'all don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. And I will see y'all on my next video. Bye-bye.